We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go the extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding.
It was a pleasure dealing with Desert Tech in an installation made complex by HOA regulations and some extremely poor work done in the past. Miguel demonstrated great technical competence, considerable patience in walking me through the alternatives, and the many choices in replacement air conditioning equipment. He was also very helpful in explaining, then actually seeing that corrections were made in our deteriorated ducts.
One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours too. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.